Yo! Hello! And welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy. En ik maak video's, live video's. Mostly of Yiddish. Het is Wednesday, May 21st. Para please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Zelf me. In the channel I rose tremendously, so thank you for that. En ook dat je kan weer naar channel member. That helps out the channel. Sie machen größere, schönere Content. En ook dat je kan werden, nicht auch die kan werden, I'm sorry. Die zeist op de chat, als je gepost aan links, is van Amazon. Affiliate link. Meaning, that is actually kauft the item. But you press the item, whatever die kauft in the next 24 hours of Amazon, bekomme ich a percentage. Es kostet die gut nicht. If you don't mind. En ik wil zoeken een schooier voor iedereen, was hat schon getan. Thank you. Alright, en ook het van mijn guide wil ik zoeken, absolutely, positively, 100%ly, this is niet financial advice. Wie neemt tijd is do. Okay? Please be very careful. The market het wegnemen alles wat die hast. Wo die kans borgen nicht gelijk, wie sie die heißt. So please. Okay? Spiel mich stamma so herin. At your own risk. Thank you. Alright, let's get into it. Yankee tea. Good morning. Good morning, Yankee. How you doing? In Mexico, two top aides of Mexican Mayor Carl Barragada, her private security and advisor were killed in a daytime ambush by gunmen on motorbikes in the city center, highlighting security concerns. YG, good morning. Good morning, YG. Scheint er zu sein. How are you? Good morning. What's going on? Ba-da-ba-ba, beep-beep-beep-beep. The Pope, the Naya Pope, appealed for Israeli to allow humanitarian aid into Gaza, calling the situation worrying and saddening, aimed at Israeli ongoing blockade and military operations. Well, wie viel hat der Vatican herangenommen? Den nehmen wir nicht heran. Da suchen für jenen, wo sie die. Typical. U.S. film industry tariff proposal. President Trump proposed a 100% tariff on foreign films has sparked mixed reactions in Atlanta film studio. While some welcome it, and some are puzzled about it. Yesterday's step, 6 miles, 12,329. Good for you. Dann muss ich checken, wie viel ich habe gemacht. Ist nicht kein Race, jeder einer hat sich seinen eigenen Step Count. Lass mal geben, mal Kick. Nächte gemacht 14,036 Steps. But nice, YG. Healthy competition is good. That's what keeps us going, by the way. The exercise. Toronto hit and run. A 34-year-old man in critical condition after being hit and run accident near Queen Street. Oy vey. This is the ärgste, you know. A hit and run. It's no fun. Yossi Brave. Good morning. Ich kann euch machen dann zu früh. Dann Coffee mit Viggy. Appreciate you. How you doing? Wieso gewinnt dann Nacht? Rapatapata. Sinds gaan wir nicht mehr wachen jeden Tag, like, I don't like emphasis. Aber ich kann sehen, wenn ich warte auf einen oder ich die etwas, wach ich mehr. Didn't sleep well. Oi wei. I'm sorry to hear, Yossi. But at least bist du aufgestanden. You know what I mean? Wie viele Menschen sind nicht aufgestanden? Wie viele Menschen haben nicht gewollt aufstehen? I played PUBG before bed too much. Ah, Yossi, no, stay away. Spiel nicht. It's terrible. Fair warnings is addiction. And the problem is, as man fängt auch gut an von der Game. That's for me. Ba, 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 da, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. I think I'll uninstall the app. Yes. Good choice, Yossi. Good choice. Ich wollte sagen, in dem Spiel ich, die kannst just watchen, wieso ich spiele, and you'll get the fix over there. But mit da watchen, die games sind sehr addictive. The problem mit den games ist, als wenn man endigt, ich kann nicht bevor man spielt, will man gleich spielen noch ein Game, noch ein Round. In the sports industry and NBA playoffs. Ich bin kein größer Fan, but das sucht man durch den Eis, alle gesagt. The NBA playoff continues on game 1 of the Knicks versus their opponent today. As 4 teams remain in the conference final. We're getting closer. The Knicks sind noch keinmal nicht gewinnen in einer langen Zeit. In der Position, wie sie sind. Avi! Boker Tov. How you doing? Wieso geht es all the way to Antwerpen? Bei uns geht regnen, the next poor take. Which geht like a challenge of my walking, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're not gonna care. Wir gehen sich unten zum Gitter Gitterhäusen, und wir gehen just gehen walken. Legen ein Fies in front von der anderen. Ra pa 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 pa, ri 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 pi, pa ra pa, pa 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 pa. Can you give a lecture on reverse splits? Avi, ich hatte schon gesagt, das ist nicht kein Financial Advice. Ich habe keine Ahnung, was ich tue. Ich weiß kaum, wieso ich heiß. Sah nicht auf mir beiß. Ich bin öfter in Kitte beiß. Kiekst doch was heißt. It's a discussion. Kimmeran klur. Dreite de Pies, was ist der Hur? Spielt sich mit der Burt. Wie geht Afur? Reverse Splits. Lass mal sagen, wir können machen als Eubeiner rund 10 Stacks. Sagen sie, für jede 10 bekommst du 1. Als Sachmal geschehen ist, again, ich kenne nicht alle Details. Wenn ein Stack fällt zu einem low number, zu einem certain number, kann es werden delisted. Certain price, sucht der Stack, whoever hosts us, that you need to, the guys werden delisted. So the guys werden delisted, there you go, 120. Lass mir das geben, Marik. Möchtest du geben, Asche. So, was ich hier ist, als einer und lass mal sagen, 10 Stacks, jeder Stack ist $1, nehmen sie machen 1 Stack für den 10er. Also, ich komme aus der Stackpreis higher. Amol pflegt man nicht keine kaufen, Fractions. Meinst du, man nur kann kaufen 8 Share. 1 Share, 2 Shares. Hand auf die Apps kann man kaufen zerbrochene Shares. Meaning, kannst du kaufen oder $1 amount, oder kannst du kaufen a Share amount. Oder kannst du kaufen $10, oder kannst du kaufen $10 wert für Stocks. Und der Computer, sie splitzt sich es. Das ist auch, weil die kaufst nicht echt keine Shares, die kaufst nur bei Robinhood. Lass mal sagen, a Share Fin sei suchen der IOU. Most of the time stock falls even more after reverse split. Menschen verkaufen, Menschen kaufen. Ich hoffe, es gibt Maß gewesen. I must say, nicht alles weiß ich. Genug dem Question mich, wieso heißt Cover, Rabatei. Cover, ich try nicht zu machen 2 Covers auf einmal. So, ich habe Coffee in the free. I walk down to the corner. Hatte mich schon amassed 1500 steps. You said it well. Thank you. I appreciate the comment in the morning. Wir sind noch gut gegessen. I'm joking. Halfway is not really. Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba ho. The U.S. Department of Justice has launched a criminal probe into former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo over allegations he provided false testimony to Congress about the nursing homes management during COVID-19. The investigation sparked by the House Republican will focus on nursing home death figures. Ja, hat zurückgeschickt die Oil dort. It was terrible, gehargert so viele Menschen. You gave financial advice. Yossi, you got me. Hold the presses. You got me. You pressed me to the wall. Now throw me in the pool. Throw me the ball. Met machen dort nach phone call. Don't worry, ich bin 6'2", ich bin sehr tall. Ra-pa-pa-ra-pa-ra-pa-pa. Nana Zeiger. 30 minutes bis der Market öffnet sich auf. By the way, as ich hab du gebe a consider liking. YG. Ich hatte gewollt sagen, as it's on its way. Sie geht umkommen, I think in a few days. Sie haben es nicht also wie auf Prime. It's back ordered. But it's not called financial advice. You can just relax. Oh, suchst du nicht. Just relax. Just geba. Just macha. Just geba macha mita atia. Elon Musk confirms he will remain Tesla CEO for the least 5 years, despite 50,000 unit sales drop in Q1. Rausgeht hat Schmisser gewesen auf ich denke schon, ich werde gewesen gerät. Ich hatte ihm gefragt die questions wegen der Drop Sales Price. Ich meine, ich verkaufe so viele Units. Hat gesagt, alle sectors sind down. All the sectors are down. Wir werden trugen die Kraun. Yes, Tesla is fire. But ich darf sagen, dass ich bin ein Elon Musk Fanboy. So, ich kann sein Bias, wenn sie kommt zu Tesla. There is a possibility as ich bin biased when it kommt anything Elon Musk, anything Tesla, anything SpaceX, anything Boring, anything Neuralink, anything Starlink, SpaceX, whatever. Kann ich sein Bias. The UK suspends trade talks with Israel with Foreign Secretary David Lehman, calling Israel Gaza blockade morally wrong. The UK sagt das. Sie haben ausgehargert Indians Africans ausgeschossen, sei kommen sagen the moral grounds. Tja, das kannst du sehen. Jena meine Masse des. Japan got an earthquake. A magnitude 6.2 earthquake struck off Japan's islands, Loose Islands, with no immediate report of damage or tsunami risk. Oh, phew. Now that was scary there for a moment. Sudan Civil War. The Rapid Support Force, RSF, launched a major offensive in Al Jazeera state, capturing weight women from the Sudan army. This following heavy fighting since mid-April, with over 1,500 civilians death reported. Ist ja nicht auch ein Protest of them. Keine steht nicht. Sudan, civilians, Malottas gain. The conflict ongoing since 2023 has displaced millions, and famine warning are escalating due to restrictions 8 access. This is in Sudan. Nicht du kein Protest. Keine schreit nicht auf der Gas. Nicht du kein Hungerstreik. Bobby, total still, wenn sie kommt. Who cares about the Sudanese, huh? Aufton. Then you can again strike. South Korea is investigating the jet air crash in Maui International Airport, which killed 179 people last month. Early findings point to a possible landing gear failure. That is crazy. With the black box analyst ongoing, public demand for accountability are growing. It's noch halt safer zu fahren mit der Plane wie crossing the gas. With all that, it's noch halt safer. 9:07. 23 minutes bis die Tieren von der Market öffnen sich auf. Australian wildfire. Brushfire in Victoria and New South Wales have destroyed over 50 homes, with thousands evacuated. Hot, windy conditions are worsening the situation, and firefighters' efforts are strained, with international aid being considered. There's the problem when man lernt all over the world news. Als kann dampen the day. Was ist eigentlich geschehen? Man hat noch nicht keinen Access zu den News. Dem sucht man lange schon an der News, wie die belangst nicht. Stay away from the bad news, if you know what I'm saying. Max! How is the energy even in this rain? Guten guten Morgen, Max. Second of all, I'm not sitting outside. Sitzt mir du in an comfortable situation, inter a Dach, right temperature. Come on. How could we complain? You know what I mean? CG. Good morning, good morning. But Max is a work in progress. Certain take was ich bin ein bisschen mehr bakakt. In certain take bin ich mehr aufgeliked. What's up? You tell us. What's going on with CG's morning? Nothing major is up from day corner besides up and about-ish, sitting in one chair. Sie kijkt aus, wie sie geht anträgen für the next forever. Und man geht sich dafür stark nach Russland einfach eine Woche. A Vatican court convicted two former financial officials for mismanaging 200 million in Holy See investments. In Holy See investments. Sentencing them for 3 years. The case has renewed calls for transparency in the Vatican finances. Du sind der Vatican den ganzen still, Sie können kommen suchen für andere Countries, wo sie tun. Weil sie kommt zu sagen, können sie halten alles still. Chizpe. Und gerade Bitcoin is 106. Sie geben 108. Aber kommen eine Message für dir. Sie geben 108. Wie viel sagen, das ist 108? Schon gewinnt spät. 2:39. How's your life so far? My life ist die ganze a große Picture, du weißt, man darf sich raussetzen für Kaffee. Also wie einer getroffen hat, und er sagt ihm, hey, Shlomi, what's up? 45 Minuten später tracht er, shit. Ich darf dann schon sagen, hello, und weiter warten. So, honest? You get what I'm saying? We ain't playing. But life is alright, life is okay. It's what I make of it, you know? All the pains that I have, most of them were brought up on myself. Which is sometimes a hard pill to swallow. Well, me will blamen. En was hast du dafür? Bleibst noch als mit deinen Problemen. Danke, jener is the shield. But die bleibst mit der Bild. Oh. Nicht gehst dafür, wie geht dich so? Sitz gekommen und kein Plug. Jetzt wie geht dich so? The spy is up. Almost at record high. Find du kann man nur sagen goodbye. Body. Ja, all time high, almost. 20-30 points weg. How is your life, CG? How's your morning life? Let's put it that way. I says episodes. How is episode May 21st, 9/11? Oops. The ASST. Furta Machaya. Super duper. Nice. Super duper is good. Rabba-liba, rabba-rabba-rabba-rabba-liba. Health officials warn potential measles exposure at a Shakira concert at MetLife Stadium on May 15 after an affected attendant was present. Oops. Nice, CG. Good for you. Good for you. Lean into it, Rifachas. Nice. Sometimes it's easier said than done, Amar Menschen gesucht, but if you could apply it to your life, you know, then I won't be in your way, as they say. U.S. missile defense plan. President Trump announced progress on a Golden Dome missile defense system. Through details remain vague. The Congress budget official estimate space-based interceptors could cost $542 billion over the 2 decades, raising concerns about funding. Es ist interessant, sie sagen jetzt, es ist alles sehr vague, but wenn sie gekommen zu certain bills, hat Nancy Pelosi gesagt, you first need to pass it, and then we'll see what the bill says. In du sind sie im Ganzen, man darf sein careful. In New Orleans haben 10 Menschen sich herausgebrochen von Prison. A maintenance worker geworden charged for aiding the escapees by cutting off water to the facility, a breakthrough toilet hole. Oh, wow. One guy is being... Oh, ihr geht jetzt angegangen in Prison für eine Weile. Oi, oi, oi. Pakistan school bus attack. A suicide bombing targeting a school bus in... Ich kann nicht trying to butcher the word. Killing 5, including 3 children. The attack claimed by separatist groups has heightened region security concerns. Bam, 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 ba, ba, ba. By the way, CG, ich meine, als Mattes hat getouched ein bisschen auf dem, wo die uns geschrieben. Ich denke nicht exactly in welcher. D-Wave quantum stocks surges 25% after launch. Gee. Riba-dabo-dibi-dibi-dabado. 9:17. 13 minuten marker hebben. The Supreme Court upheld the Trump administration decision to end temporary protection status for nearly 350,000 Haitians, allowing deportation to proceed. Oh, wow. This follows similar ruling on Venezuela, aligning with Trump's hardline migration stance. Oy vey. You know, this is the beste country. Menschen von der ganzen Welt rein herzukommen. And the people that live here sometimes don't appreciate it. Menschen gehen dort Wochen 10, 20 Tage. Wochen umzukommen. Just sie eten man derselbe lebt wie die. Deswegen dem ist stark risky. Kijk und der ist stark gegangen. Von 6.35 all the way down to 4.44. Kamat $2. Boom. Ons $500 shares. Boom. $3,000-4,000. Just like that. That's why you gotta be careful. Get nimmer nach daheim. Noch der größte riesige Pump. Ba-di-da-dum, di-da-dum. Okay, so skiktos via EDBL is totally out from the system. Yeah. Fangen sehen, als alle Moves fangen zu geschehen vor 9:30, vor der Market hatten zu kaufen. The early morning. Pre-market. Leborim tovim, ay. Dinarala. $9.21. Namen it's fun. Man, it's not fun, it's kind of boring. But we don't do it for fun, we do it for boringism. I mean... Brooklyn. Good morning. How you doing? How are you? How is your morning treating you? Three, two, one, go. Bam. Bam. Ba-la-la-la-la-la. Viggy and upcoming trips for the summer. Ich will gehen. Like I said, ich bin ein Stückel schwere Traveler, but hopefully hat man etwas machen. The idea is do Brooklyn. I just need to get ahead of a few things and then I'm in. Jack. Good morning, Jack. Good afternoon, Odibisfin. Over the seas. It's just a breeze. A football overseas. And it's no the keys of the board. Was I started going to Peru? I really have that in my cup. And auch it make a road trip through the United States. That would be one of my. Nope. I don't have specialties that I do. Ich meine, ich try to go camping, you know. For 2-3 days camping in the woods. For the last 2 years has been raining the weekend, so this was schwer. You wake up early because you're going early to sleep? What do you mean, Jack? Verstehe nicht deine question. You wake up early because you're going early to sleep? Ich bin gegangen schlafen spät nachten, aber ich stehe anyways auf. Ich warf mich raus im Bett. I have this thing, once ich bin auf, it's over. Right. Very few times gehe ich zurück schlafen. 9:24, 6 minutes, see market open. Brooklyn, die step is fast immer. Die guys, do any specific things? Ich wollte sehr stark gewollt durchfuhren zurück the Shenandoah Mountains. Erupzi, lass mich das geben, also ich hoffe. Für New York, erupfuhren through Pennsylvania, Maryland, Washington, Virginia, North Carolina. I would like to make my way back to New Orleans, but out of the side roads. If in New Orleans, we can erupfuhren to Montana, you know. What time do you go to sleep? Depending on the. Ich try wie früher. Nice. Good for you, Brooklyn. I need to do something like that, you know. But ich habe nicht kein Issue zu machen, a road trip in the United States. Need to get on a plane. Oh, I feel ya. In general, Jack, I would say like 10 Zeiger. 10, 11. But as ich endig the live, dort mir das ab minute bis my brain calms down. So, next minute gang geschlafen, I would say like 12. Because I finished at 11. I finished at 11 the live, so after a live, can ich stop getting my guy down in bed, so. Well, you don't have to wish. You can just start on in bed. It's that simple. It's just some medical procedure that you need to do. You know. Last night, What do you mean? I'm not following Brooklyn. 9:27. I felt good. Maybe in the morning or a day before, I feel dizzy in the mitten. Motion sickness style. I can't recall. No idea what you're talking about. Because you're too much on the screen? Yeah. Also why I want to get off my phone. We're working towards it. I just have to get one more item. By the way, as ik having do, consider geef me a like. Gaat a lange weg. And ook the Amazon link, if you don't mind. If you're buying things on Amazon, you don't have to buy the product. Just hit the link. The next 24 hours, whatever you buy on Amazon, I get a small percentage. The cost is 9:29. Thank you, Jack. Appreciate you. 38 seconds to market Effanon. La. Ba-da-da-ba-da-bow. מהפכת ששמחה ומשפחה בניעות בטירוף כי הגיע הזמן לעוף מעכשיו רק שמחה משקיעה והצליחה השתגענו עובדים אם שותים כן רוקדים Three, two, one, go. La 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 la. The Chaim Jack. Da 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 la la. Da la 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 la.
שותה ופתאום מרוסית עונה לי דה, אז מה את שותה? זה בא לי טוב, תכף מחרנו, אל תחשוב, תגידי את השם כבר לא נושם, תגידי שתהתי בא לי לנקות הראש.
What do you feel good about going live? Don't know how to answer that question. It's just something I do. Sie kommt mit seinen challenges, of course. I could only do it until I could, until I could sustain it. Once I can't sustain it, I can't do it. So, this will be a test run. Wie lange ich kann es halten, kann ich es halten. Ba-da-ba-ba-dee-ba-ba, ba-da-da-da, ba-da-da-la-la-la-la-la, ba-da-da-da-da. Oh, ba-da-ba-la-la-la. Go. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-be-da-da, ba-da-da-la-la-li-da-da, da-da-dee-da-da. La-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Brech wie wap. La 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 ya יש הכל כוח, מהכל לשכוח, ולשמוח. כי בנו יש בנלללה, בנלללה. תנו לנו לשמוח, כולם לרקוד. וגם את הרקוד. Ba da la 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 ba da la 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 ba da la 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 da. Ba da la la da. Digga-digga-dum. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da-la-la-la-la-la. Ti-da-da. Ti-da-la-la.
מחפש לי מהות רגע אושר קטן מישהו איתי כאן
Call me. Good morning. Call me, Anton Shannon, du bist amazing. Ob nicht, you should tell it to yourself. Okay? Just remember how cool you are. And the only person you need to convince is yourself.
את עצמך בוא נצרח איך נשמח רק שנינו שמע לכל שאלה יש תשובה אתה מאיפה אתה בא אלינו ולאן תלך מי יודע יש מקום אי בודד ואליו אני רוצה ללכת אין מקום לפחד לאבד את עצמי בדרך לומד מכל מה שהיה ויותר לא עוצר לא נוגע מחפש לי מישהו איתי כאן כמו נשיבה לא יודע עליה כשהרגשתי לבד איך זרקת סימן
Di-di-da-la-la-la-la. Di-di-da-la-la-la-la. Ba-da-la-la-la. Family B, how you be? How's it going? How are you?
השמיים נקיים ושמש לפנים תרימו לחיים אז באנו לעשות לכם טירוף כולם תרימו את הידיים לשמיים תמיד אתה יכול
I wouldn't know Brooklyn, I wouldn't know. Ich höre es aus auf YouTube. Alle Musik höre ich aus auf YouTube. Wow, Family B, thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Ich habe es auch enjoyed. Pure content related. Stark enjoyed.
אני יודע שהכל יהיה בסדר לא משנה מה כולם מדברים
When you have a good time, time flies, you know?
בעזרת השם היא נהדר
Vice versa. Vin Zuckman, good morning. How you doing? What do you do when YouTube is down? I still do the same thing. What do you mean, what I do? Wenn einer hat a mechanic shop and wenn der electric item oder hat a flood, comes with the business, comes with the territory. It does come with the territory. Can nicht review the... But how are you vice versa? CG, wie viel Mal weißt du, ist YouTube gewähnt down? Oder maybe habe ich nicht verstanden, get a question. As of now, von YouTube noch sehr, ich volunteer noch, if you get what I'm saying. Sehr starke volunteer system. So. You know, I try to do my part, as soll anche man etwas wie von du und dorten. Also ich soll nicht gehen davon haben. Ich will nicht von Scharoz und Werte. But the ads are clear. Of course, they're gonna make their money. You don't make any money? Nope. Nope. Any money? Man, also ich habe gemacht $36, heißt es nicht kein Geld. So, aber es ist Geld. So, ich weiß nicht, sag mal, wenn man jetzt die Baxi Menschen darf man watchen, weil man sagt, any is but overall, nein. Aber ich gemacht kein Geld. Mach ich kein Geld. Sind noch Volunteer so far. So the morning lives, in a sense, ich sitze bei der Computer. I mean, sie nimmt das auch koeig. Sie reden, sie machen, I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. Lately suche ich das Sache, also ich complain nicht, aber ich suche. Denn ich mach mal viel, wie ich bin auf der Cruise. What do you think you'll make? Between me and Mr. Beast to do a größer deal of separation. Yeah, alle. This is the Mushal Nachi, what I'm understanding, as macht Geld von andere sources. So, interessiert es nicht. Geht kauft die Equipment, hat Editor, you know, bezahlt für den Editor und fertig. So kostet ihm ein paar $1,000. It looks like he has money, but for me, everything I gotta do myself. So it takes a lot of time to do it and to this, and so it's a bit different. So as of now, viele de Geld, was kommt daran, geht für Equipment oder geht für Breakfast. Shia, the weather isn't behaving. I know. How many people do you think you need to have to make money out of it? So, wieso ich sehe es? Ich gehe nicht für views. Because, I mean, again, als du views, macht man etwas Geld, aber es ist nicht kein Geld. Das sind mehr individual users, sponsorships, super chat, and membership, you know? At first, wenn ich gemacht Membership, habe ich nur gewollt machen als the most expensive one. And ich will teen special travel for sei. Ich will teen under the video special for sei. It doesn't have to be a lot. But it's not working out like that. You know, noch the Brooklyn hat gewollt geben gifted, aber gemacht lower. I'm not complaining. Stop zogen this, Viggy. Complain a bisschen. Does the live itself make money? None. None. You can super chat? Who says you can super chat? What is the question? Ich meine, der Oilem ist warm, jetzt leg auf dann Quick Pay. Es ist Viggy Vibes. Okay, von was locker. So lasst man nicht schreiben. Das ist mein E-Mail-Adress, viggyvibes@gmail.com. So yeah, we'll push, we'll grind, we'll show up every day in fertig. That's all we can say. And do, you know what I mean? שלי, חרמך כושף שלי. ספדי למחור וגדגור. דגש את הלב שלי, חובב שבי. But obviously no complaints. Keine kommt mir gar nicht. Family B. Shia. Family B. Thank you so much. Both of y'all. Jim with a J. Thank you so much to both of you. It means a lot. It does a lot. I do appreciate. Ich weiß, wie schwer es ist, sie machen Geld, und ich verstehe, wie schwer es ist, weg sich zu scheiden. Für Geld. Brooklyn, gedenkst du, dass man mir geschickt a wie mit a E-Mail, nicht a E-Mail, wie man kann machen, no? Man kann machen Music, AI Music. Ich darf machen AI Music. Yes, Shia. Shia sucht etwas. Shia sucht, dass man so stehen rollen. So sich rollen. Darf gut werden der Website. Sally! First of all, hello. Welcome. Good morning. Sally's around. She doesn't even write good morning. She gets a shikir messages. I hope Jim would get it. Was kann man sehen? Wer ist der Ari Weinstock? Ari, welcome. What's up? so wie your first a Buch in Yeshiva couldn't like to rub the hit. Noch ein Woche daran gelehrt, du gewinn a ganze Zeit. Der Hit ist doch schon du. Sally! What are you doing? Thank you so much. Sally. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sally. We feel the love. Thank you so much. Shia, das ist Sorgen, Shia. Penny G is the accountant of the official of the challenge. We got it. Zvi Polacek. Good morning, Zevi. How you doing? Let's talk Schwiees. Wenn ist Schwiees, danke. I like cheesecake. I like dairy stuff. So cheese Schwiees ist bei mir a plus. Gitte cheese blinzes. Oh, wow. Schwiees in der Luft. Wenn ist Schwiees? What's the date for Schwiees? You're making cheesecake live? Kann ich sagen, Shia, the kitchen is off limits. You know? Nicht jeder eine will sein auf camera. June 1st? It's a Sunday. Nice. Real MG. Real MG. We never saw you before. Hello and welcome. Welcome, welcome. Wie checkst dir an? Some good blintzes make everything right. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get the cheese blintzes, the sweet ones. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-dee-da-ba-ba.
רוצה להתמכר לטוב שמתגבר אם הלב אומר בטח שהוא יודע תכף נתעורר לניגון אחר לא צריך
Savory is like a bitter one, right? But if you're already having it, favos nicht. Oh, phew. Sally, you scared me. You know? I'm more of the sweet guy. I mean, not me as a sweet guy. I like sweet. Not that I like sweet guys. Oh, vay, I'm getting myself into a sweet cake over here. Getting myself twisted into a bun. A cinnamon one, if I may ask. Viggy is sweet. See, coming from Jim with a J, that makes sense. You're also sweet. I got some savory. Some days I'm savory, huh? Some days I'm salty, some days I'm sweet. And some days it's just bittersweet. What type of cheesecake? I don't like too heavy. Too heavy, you can't eat a lot. Dubai cheesecake? Oh, they're like New York cheesecake? Oh, you mean from the last night guy? Shia, how could I forget? You just reminded me. Die hebben sommer gegeben, Rebbitzin Cheesecake. Ik ben opgewachsen met de Rebbitzin Cheesecake. I used to say, I made it special. I made it special. It's the cheesecake. I put in a secret recipe. What is the secret recipe? It's the cheese. No, Bobby, it's called cheesecake. I know. Although cheese kreplach I like. Cheese kreplach is something I could back up, you know. Heavy cheesecake is tasty, but it's too much, Zevi. Zvi? Too much. Specific cheesecake. Die hebben me gegeben de website. Sie machen the music. Ich darf auswählen, wie man macht just background music und voices, if you know what I'm saying. Darf man an dem spielen damit?
אהלן אהובים שלי, כאן די.ג'יי נריה אנג'ל, יוצא איתכם עכשיו לדרך עם סט לעיתים חדש, אז להדק חגורות כי אנחנו ממריאים. וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך רק איתך, וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך רק איתך, ליבי.
He gave you nightmares. Why? It's like a movie. Why would I mean, again, you shouldn't take anything he says serious. Nada. Movie gives me a nightmare. Oh, Sally. Don't fall for it.
סוף לתהיות לחיפושי משמעויות אני יודע שמצאתי אותך
You know, sometimes when you get into a thing in life and you can't back out, that's I think what happened to him. You know, he picked a life, Rebbe, and then he's now sort of stuck with it.
וגם עד סוף העולם
אני הולך
איתך וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך רק איתך ליבי כמו ספר פתוח תראה אותי ליבי כמו ספר פתוח תראה אותי וגם עד סוף העולם הולך רק איתך וגם עד סוף העולם אני הייתי הולך רק איתך
Sally needs a shuttle for 5K. Jim, what are you saying? Leisig, Emil, we're talking about Shvias here. Come on. Sally, stay with the program. Jim, it needs to look good. All right. You have like a one-board Milchix, one-board Fleischig. You can jump. You ride with both hands. But kreplech you can put on both sides. You know what I like the most? When man macht you know, you make the blintzes in the dough for the blintzes. Every fifth that you make, I steal around 3. So it's like a never-ending fight between the maker and the eater. The kreplach, the crepes. Nothing beats the crepes. When you only take the first one, obviously it doesn't come out good because the top noch is in ganzen heiß. So you eat that. Then the second one looks so good, so you eat it. Then you're like, hello, you gotta leave something in the plate. So you make another one. And then the fourth one, you're like, nobody's gonna know the difference between 1 and 2 because I need to make another 30. So before you know it, you're like 15 down, the stomach draait sich, and you make blintzes. TLDR. Hello and welcome. You know the fokanal, the wooden spoon? It's not meant to mix. It's meant if somebody reaches to it, you just poop, poop. You just hit him in the head, in the hand, like. That's right. Don't touch my blintzes. Okay, we will have nothing for Schwiers. Ha. But also the batter, you can lick out the top. You know, when you make cheesecake, you can't. But this mixture, you could. Viggy, so nach his post against Shia Friedman? No. I know that Shia posted something about mental health, and I'm guessing he meant him, but I didn't see anything. Wie hat das gepost? Nope. Shia, please bring her here now. Sally, I like how you ask where she's based. Who said she's based? That was the whole family problem. We have one daughter that is not based. Play of words. Alles geht's. Good morning, good morning. Welcome. She's probably still sleeping. Most probably when she grew up, everybody's like, yeah, you're gonna grow up and become a scheitelmacher? Yeah? This is what your life is gonna become? Now that she's a huge successful scheitelmacher, her mother walks around like, oh, my daughter? Rochi? She's a scheitelmacher. Yeah, busy day and night. She doesn't have a second to catch her breath even. She does such nice jobs. You should go check her out. She doesn't even have time for me. She makes more money than an office job. Ja, scheitelmachers machen assar Geld. That's how you can afford it. Yes. Wake her up, please. Right away, Jim. Right away. Jim, sei nicht so sicher. Okay? Because be careful what you wish for, you know? You have woken the beast.
Good morning.
We're getting to her. Who's excited? Sally is. Sally's definitely is. Ooh, miniature cheese. Pflege arbeiten für a messaging company in Muncie. Sie pflegt eine sein auf Addercourt. Sie pflegt machen cheese miniatures. They actually never gave me the taste. Ein Tag hab ich mal gebrochen. I bought the miniatures. Cannolis. Woo! Bro. So wie die Menschen gesucht nächten, die $8 Eiscreme. Some make some crazy stuff. It's work, but it's delicious. Yes. It's crazy delicious. I used to work for a messaging company, so I used to pick up a lot from a private bakery on Adder Court. She used to make miniatures. That was some crazy miniatures, I tell you. Alles get chicken on pictures. In the creations that you do. Why do I keep missing this? Fuck. Shia, what you do is you start convincing the client, oh, you look so good in short hair. And jeder einer in der ganze Scheitelmacher kickt sich like, no, she doesn't. But what, you gonna tell her? Language alert? What's geschehen? What happened, Jim? What just happened? Dibodim tovim. Sally's wondering why Scheitler don't grow back. Oh my God. Oh my, Jim, I hope you can recover. I hope it's gonna be the recovery we're looking for. The recovery of a century. Yo, go in there, be master, be she's body da 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 da. Gewoon hier staan met het magos zo. Jede woord. You get an awakening when you cut Melissa's hair, huh? I don't know how you name a doll Melissa, but if you know what I'm saying. Oh, not sure. I never understood it when kids play around and someone cuts someone's hair, someone's other kid's hair. Yeah, the parents flip out. Favos, it's gonna grow back. It's a kid. Who cares? You know, like sometimes girls make scissor cuts for other other girls. But who cares, Sally? Yes, okay, so they had fun. You can tell them no. I'm saying, like, it's not something you do maybe because you gotta look presentable, but you took away the scissor and you stabbed her a couple of times and be like, I'm stabbing you with calmness. I'm joking. In your head, you were thinking that. Thanks for 3 video uploads yesterday. My pleasure, all of you. Okay, deze gaat niet zelf, maar ze zit doe eraf. Maar voor hebben we verpast hebben. She let her know that it wasn't the best idea. I asked her about a few years later. It was. The answer was. Only 2 years? but you're not gonna like it. Leave that judgment up to me, to us. Alles geht, wenn es ist geschehen. Speak about the submarine story, June. Sag mal noch mal May. May 23rd is Heimlich Himmler geworden gehargert bei der gestorben under unknown circumstances by the British. Hat ihm gehabt, weil seine Mistress, sie gehabt 2 Kinder mit ihm, die geworden gecaptured, ist es übergegeben von den Amerikanern in England, aber ihm gehargert. Das ist geschehen May 23rd, in 2 days from now, like 50, 60 years ago. Gehabt Schmitz of the England, in English hebben hem gewoon putter in van hem, en hat hem gehargert. Himmler gemeint der SS guy, the head from the SS. She is making a cell call. Antwerp, Milan, no. Avi hat mir gesagt, dass wir herangegangen zu 6 Mal Hallam plus Schottchem. Schottchem? Eins heißt Ascheuchet, aber ist Schottchem. Their problem wasn't about Mila. Their problem was that man macht medical procedures, nicht in a medical procedure Platz. That's what Avi told me. As die machst a procedure, medical procedure in a shield, this is nicht sanitary. Ja gerecht, nicht gerecht, I'm just saying the news. Das ist was Avi mir gesagt. History repeats itself? Okay. Meaning, I'm not disproving that, but oiv the mass is emas, that they're only going after it because they're doing medical procedures in a place where they shouldn't be doing it, it's a different argument. Maybe the intentions are wrong, I'm not saying. Yeah. But you break in 5 a.m. is traumatizing for kids and family. They have their procedures. I'm not saying they're right. I'm not, weil ich nicht so etwas, kann es auskicken, wie ich meine. Nein. I'm sure when we call to the days, I'm a guy to come and behold alles, right? He's not going to leave it there on the table. And ich meine nur wegnehmen the equipment. You're making him schwitz, Sally. You're making him schwitzing. Schwierig im Meshvish? Wie seid ihr? Der Vetter fuhr dort. I have a few people that I know. So guy near the Yurtzi Schwierig im Meshvish. Meshvish.
אתה תצעק,
אתה תרצה. Seltzer guy. Good morning, Seltzer guy. How you doing? First Hassan of the stream. Yeah. If you put it that way. Brooklyn, schick mir daran, wo du es gesehen wegen geliked rebuttal zu Shia Friedman. Hamas confirmed that Mohammed Sinwar, brother, is dead. Hamas leader was killed in the FDR last week. Nice. Time to clean up shop. Time to clean up shop. Check comment on Nachiyaba from Seltzer guy. Of the video?
שעות של בין 40 אני נוסע לבקר את השפיות שלי וחייך, אני כאן בשבילך אל תשכח בכל יום שעובר אני כאן כדי לשמור עליך לב תגשים את עצמך ותזכור שיש מלאך שומר תמיד נמצא שומר עליך תמיד נמצא שומר עליך
Moira para boys.
Vind maar wieveel dislikes had ze aan de video's. Dislikes kennen is in. Niet dat deze macht achillik. I'm just... Ik heb gezien of Peggy won, de certain comments dus gemaakt. Hij is goed uit mij natuurlijk, om Jesus zelf te gaan. Ja, had nog wel echt in de push-it shot, alles goed. A few things he was interesting about, sadly. In the mittens, he was like admitting to things. He kept I like a few answers that he said. Why can't you post it after Shabbos? I like that point. Like if you're saying that you're trying, and also the idea, as jeder einer molt sich, that I don't like that. And wenn die Tist etwas jede Woche, fällt es nicht durch. You just simply don't hold Shabbos. Miss ich halten Shabbos. It's not for me. But the idea, die falls durch, don't sell me Alta laundry, okay? Please, thank you. By the way, this week we're going to read the Teuchige. All right, don't know. By the way, this week we're going to read it. Okay, Goshingaline, the message zweimal, and I don't know. Okay. Did you guys grow up with this kind of characters? It was more localized. Jeder hat sich gekannt, der Michigan. Meaning, there was like big characters, but it wasn't not like this. With the internet. Shia, the Oilam hat lieb controversy. The Oilam hat lieb chazerish. That's why he gets the views. Ich nehm mich gar nicht weg von ihm. Just saying. Wenn einer geht darauf auf Leder Stokes, ist es dann eine normale Conversation ist? Wer will hier eine normale Conversation ist? You get what I'm saying? The Oilam hat lieb controversial. The Oilam hat lieb chazerish. The Oilam hat lieb... Oh, het nachher hat a größer Following, you know. Genommen, you know, an idea. Again auf Ellie's podcast. Hat es enjoyed. Seht hat a größer Presence. Wie viel meist kostet es? Mike's Sachen und noch dem auch edited. That's exactly what the problem is. Yeah? Man, a normale conversation bekommt a paar hundert views. Something controversial, something chazerish, thousands and thousands of views. It's showing you in the face wie Menschen halten. In Lubavitch, there's an idea of trimming your own fingernails before giving it to someone else. Check it before you wrap it. Sally, is that like a message to me or something? Is that something? Alles gets me geschickt a message. Working out will make you feel weak when it actually makes you stronger. Learning new things will make you feel dumb, but it actually makes you smarter. Investing in yourself will make you feel broke when it actually makes you rich. Facing your fears will make you feel terrified, but when it actually makes you brave. Never hold yourself back. Strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. Thank you. Yourself later. Thank you. Do you still play PUBG? Yes. Last night ben ik weer live. Ik ga naar de voor Ashu spelen. Too much. Sally, you're not giving anything while you put in the comments. You're just stirring the pot. You think he cares? Maybe he cares, like when I say you think he cares, it's not deep level. Could be it bothers him. But in reality, that's the show. It's to stir the pot. It's to do things. I'm just saying, this is like, again, I like that on effort, I like that on this, and he gets the views. And it's very impressive. Like, man kann ich ja wegnehmen, he has amassed almost 400,000 views. You got the selbe number, and that's in my lifetime of my shows. He is open since February 3rd, and he has almost 400,000 views. Ich habe schon offen for God knows how long, and I've almost made it to this number. See what I'm saying? More people know about him now, and more people will use his for his teeth and all this making. Are you savory or sweet about it? Which part? I'm sorry, I didn't follow. Von mir, wenn ich umgehe im Teen Live, habe ich gerade eine Decision zu machen. Do I make stuff to get views? Or do I want to build a small place? Ich kann nicht sagen, the word community, but like a community is, die Menschen kennen sich, man checkt that out, man chill. And I picked this one because this is more genuine for me personally. I can't do something genuine. I mean, I don't share all my thoughts. I don't share all my beliefs. I don't share like my social, if you get what I'm saying. But it's the most genuine I could be online, would be this way. The amount of views he's getting by getting Chazarish. I mean, it's showing me in the face. Like, I would love to get views, not for the views. I want to explain myself. You want to get views for the wow, jeder kennt er. I'm okay with the views I get. It just has to be sustainable. This is the difference. I don't have a teeth business that I make money or that whatever other ventures he does. And this is like a side gig. You get what I'm saying? He has an editor, he buys the stuff, and he moves on. By me, it's mach schwere Geld, mach schwere this. So I put in the effort. So I'd rather have quality over quantity. But obviously, if I get views, it's more money. So it's like a... if I would have a 15-year-old son, would you... 9, because there's no affirmative. Did that spin Nachi Yavos specific? It wasn't formative. I didn't grow or anything. But ich geworden kliget. Did you watch Ellie Weber live? Ellie Weber got that live? Habe ich gesehen. I totally get what you're saying. What you're doing is something completely different. Yes, what I understand is significant amount of views. Exactly. So, Namusha, between Eli and Nachi, they do the same thing. They don't have shows, they do podcasts, and they want the views. For me, I'm not looking for the views. I mean, again, it all comes back to making it by the end of the day. It's or I get it by membership or people supporting the channel, or I get it by views where YouTube sends in the money because I'm making for the views. So, and also if I do it for the views, you know, I won't be, I wouldn't be myself. And I just want to make clear, as a shenish alles, everything. I keep things to myself. Okay? But I don't fake. I don't do crazy stuff, if you get what I'm saying. For Nachi, it's a business plan. It's not even a business. It's a side hustle that he does. It's a side hustle. He doesn't have to make money. You know, he can close it tomorrow and move forward. And so it cost a few thousand. And he made a few money back because he does get views. Plus sponsorships. I don't know the money-wise. So let's say if he breaks even, he keeps going. Jim fragt, how much money does he get for... How much money... Ze arbeitet nicht per views. So hat sie mit welcher Sektor die bist in and copyright. Ich bekomme eine copyright because of ich nutze music, other people's music. So I was trying to buy music, but so far I didn't find I should really buy music. It's not even a side business. It's a side hustle. It's a side... It gets a zamach. Like, okay, it's a Kim Joran, it's a Kim Nishtaran. He has an editor that does it. He doesn't... There's a lot of hours that I put in that is not on camera. Again, I'm not complaining, saying, oh, I'm putting in so much hours. No. Chlegaran, for every video I do, I have to edit it. I have to make it. And I have to go online. And I'm not a good editor. Bin ich kein computer guy, so... When are you reviewing Stifke Rebbe? Last night, Sam. Kick off the video last night. Sam. Kick the nächtige Review. Last night live. Ich habe keine reviewed ein Podcast. Ich habe gemacht 2 auf einmal. Oh, wenn ich mit dem schmiss, could actually be nice, yeah. But who's guy I'm fragen? Like I saw all this. Peggy coming up tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, yes. In gyms, as du wissen, ich habe es nicht gemacht memberships first, which I should. I should make it membership first. Jim, you see what I'm doing to you? For you? We like the hype. I hope it's good. And also, to be honest, if I was a better hustler, know what I'm saying? Things would have been better. I'm nicht a großer hustler, so. No, I could do more. That's because you're Ben Melech. Jim, man kann nicht picken, wem man get a membership. Se geht sich, stamma so. Se geht sich. No issue, Sally. But again, it's a kind of problem. I'm just meredefin. Stop. Oh, לפני הדרופ. Maybe he's not ready, you know? He's not ready to come over to the other side.
He's not welcome yet.
Morgen Donnerstag, yes. May 22nd. And also, yesterday when I gesehen by Nachi, I even said it on the review, by 170, by 74 minutes, by 47 minutes, habe ich mich angerufen, ich should end the live. Meaning to say, naturally, it should have ended there, but at him gold gaslighting for something exciting. Ich kenne das nicht in a human being. Especially nicht for views. That's why people are not going to go, oh, it's not going to get exciting. In that level. It's sad. Weiß ich man, also, that it happens that way. But they coordinated? You can push someone. Hello, bro. We don't want to make ourselves members. Yeah. Good people would rather give for somebody else than rather than reward themselves. It was almost staged. No, but I felt like the conversation should have been done there, but edit is what gaslight. Again, he macht a show, he has to do his. I'm just explaining as ich kenn nicht. I don't have that. If I feel like I'm gaslighting someone, I stop. I mean, at least if I'm aware of it, and I'm human, ich kann durchfallen. Odd. But it's okay, you know? It's the price I have to pay. It's provoking, gaslighting is elbow. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting gaslit. Or provoked. Just kidding. But it's okay, it's okay. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. Because they're gonna run into a plateau, meaning there's not gonna be more people to interview. But then people are gonna get tired of all the content, so, you know, again, no complaints. Just saying. Jimmy, you gonna marry Lubavitcher or what? Said you have a coupon for a free shuttle, but she assisted. We machen do a poll. Okay, I like that poll if you just want to vote. Jim, obviously guys voting no, so you don't have to vote, Jim. Lubavitcher girls are not clean for me. Oh. Too pretty, eh? Get off my cop out, you're saying. Sally, I was thinking you're going to send me an email. I'm going to make it speech to text. After like 10 minutes, the speech to text person, the voice will be like, come on! I'm doom scrolling over here. Well, I said it. It was in my head. So now you have to hear it too. Sagt man Lubavitcher tension? There's no crazy tension. We just didn't mix growing up. I mean, in Wilhelmsburg got man geschossen Sachen, of course. Doom scrolling. Abyssal tension in the city, yeah. I mean, first I said my life growing up. I mean, I had an aunt in Lubavitch. She's still in Lubavitch. She's Meshachist. From the olden days, not from now. Yeah, the olden days, yeah. No one but us. It's Jas and Gus. Mich steigt mit der Frost. Man darf sein happy mit Woody Host. I have a blend. In der Moyach a größer Band. Yeah. Like these the Viggy copycat I account. I need to give it I need to give him the whole Viggy. But nothing but the Viggy. Am I looking around for a girl? Hold on. Should I look in basements? Joking. Jim. I'm looking around for girls. Clean ones, Jim. Clean ones. If the right one comes along, she'll come right along. Oh, sorry. Do a live sour. Yes, alles geht's. I have to go to the grocery and get all the sour sticks. I have to actually go to the grocery. And then I have to get myself to spend all that money. Alles geht's. What are you? That's a curveball from Alles geht's. Yes. Sally came out through the cracks, huh? Came out through the cracks. They're hiding behind in a shack. Misje zo zwei Welten, okay? Don't ruin the sour sticks, alles geht's, okay? Have you ever tried it? I don't think it's the information I should share online, what I do with sour sticks. Sadly. I don't like these types of jokes. I mean, this one is harmless, but... YL! Good morning. How you doing? Welcome. Long time. Months and it slips out. I think we should put in that use it in a timeout. So, but finna vote. Oder so machen they Peggy review. Membership only first. This is strictly for members only. Let's say. I don't remember seeing YL for a while, so zugachas. I make mistakes. Chalib denigen. Don't ask Alles gets what he's gonna be eating for for Shviat, or on what he's gonna eat. We'll collab and get those views. I like that we'll collab and get those views implies other things. You know what I mean? I'll go for genuinity versus views. I just if he makes it, it's gonna be good. I hope she thinks so. Hell no. I'm working now on getting someone for a shmiz. And I keep telling him, I don't want it for the views. I want to have a normal, good conversation with you, one-on-one, just discussing. Doesn't have to be, das ist Schack-Sachen, das ist schlecht. I'm better than Peggy. Let me take the better to the department, just saying. All right. We should troll ourselves. Troll is very close to control. I like this last song. Hold on, I'm gonna replay it. What is the song called? I think that's my mistake. I don't sell my soul in the figure sense, as they say. Fire of the Oh, you're saying second on a grill. What's happening? All right. You totally misread that. I was wondering what's happening. If you want to make it on YouTube, you need to get way regular, nonchalant talks. Will not get this. I know. Weissem. No, we got to try it. We're gonna try it. I have many professions. Hold on. Sally, this is gonna be for you. Hold on. Outdoor
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you.
And I will find you.
And I will kill you.
Good luck.
You know what I'm saying? Good luck. Pinigi. When I hear somebody has a set of skills, this is where I go.
קשיי הדרך ורוצה אתה בהם לככם שם ובכל מאודי מכוון אליך אבא גם מתוך הערפל של העולם וברגעי הירידות שם מתקרבו דרכנו נחזק ידיי שלח לי הסולם ומחכה ליום בו תתגשם עתירתנו
verstehe nicht, was sagt, but it feels like he's singing from the heart.
שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא בכל הרחובות תלבשו חג שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה ותחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא בכל הרחובות תלבשו חג שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה ותחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש
יכול להיות די active ארוגה על ה-level.
תחבר אותנו אל מקום
וואו.
חדש
בואו
שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא
אברומי.
כל
בואו
הרחובות תלבשו חג שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה ותרומם אותנו אל מקום
Brooklyn.
חדש
Brooklyn. Thank you so much, Brooklyn. Much appreciate. Crazy appreciation. I mean, the remix, the fin.
שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא בכל הרחובות תלבשו חג שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה ותחבר
פיני!
למקום חדש
Finny!
שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא
Thank you so much, Finny.
בכל הרחובות
Shimon Cohn. Welcome to membership.
תעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה ותחבר אותנו למקום חדש דברי יקירי כי שומר
לה לה לה
את
לה
קושי
לה לה
לקלע
לה.
אותה דרך שתמיד עברת ואין מילים בפי לתאר אהבתי אליך בן יקר אוצרו של אב
Thank you so much.
על כיסיו
Nog deze song.
מחשב כל צעדיך גם אם רק הנסתר על הנגלה ומחכה ליום בו תתגשם אהבתנו ובהיכלי אבוא ואראה שרק יבוא היום שרק יבוא
לה 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 לה.
שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה תחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש שרק יבוא אותו היום שרק יבוא בכל הרחובות תלבשו חג שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה
I'll be back in a minute.
תחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש שלח לי הסולם מחכה ליום בו תתגשם עתירתנו ואבוא אליך יחד עם כולם. שרק יבוא אותו היום, שרק יבוא.
I am back.
בכל הרחובות ילבשו חג. שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה, ותחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש. שרק יבוא היום,
La 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 la.
שתעלה אותה תפילה שתעלה, ותחבר אותנו אל מקום חדש.
MC ETS. Hello and welcome.
שרק יבוא.
Likewise, MCTS. Scheint er zu sein. Well, ausgelassen der Rong. Sieht you immer hier in der Hall. La 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 la. Da-da-da-da. Yo. במזרח שמש המבויוי והילו שם השם יאמר כל גויים השם על השמיים כבוא אלוהי. צה 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 צה. Digga digga da, digga digga da, digga digga da, digga digga da, da 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 da. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mayash boys, Yurim eviayin. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mayash boys, Yurim eviayin. Thank you, Jim. Mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Mekimi mayo for the doll. Pa 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 pa. Mayo for the doll. Yes. Aber es geht in New Orleans. Beye Mitzrayim, Bais Yaakov me'am lo yes. Hoy su yehidu, la la kochoy, Yisrael mam shelo yisol. Hayam revu, vayu nois, Yisrael le'yovochoy. Hurim, Rani Chelim, Voice, Kenei Son. Oh. Hayam Kisunes. Hayam Nani Zon le'yovochoy. Hurim, Nigeni Chelim, Voice, Kenei Son. Hayam Kisunes. Hayam Zon le'yovochoy. Hurim nigdi g'elim, gevuz kivnetzon, melevenu vodon chiliyo oretz lifnai Elekai Yaakov.
Oy frier tsir agamoyem khalomesh le
My name Moyem. Da 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 da. Israel v'tar b'Hashem v'yezdom mimogen omri. Israel v'tar b'Hashem yezdom mimogen omri. Mimogen omri. Brooklyn, this should be the place. Just letting you know. Pa 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 la 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 la. Lashem ki yitov ki le yoelam le oelam chazdoy v'di Lashem ki yitov ki le yoelam le oelam chazdoy v'di Lashem ki yitov ki le yoelam le oelam chazdoy. I don't know, alles gut. Don't know.
Oy la shem gitov kli yolam.
Dinga 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 nam bam ba da da do. Kurusika ununi ba merchavko
Behina maitza kurusika ununi ba merchavko
Shina maitza kurusika ununi ba merchavko Behina maitza kurusika ununi ba merchavko. It's funny, they could never give you the Powerball numbers or the Mega Million. They can guess that you had something off when you were a kid. Good morning, who doesn't? Oh, Viggy. Penny said something very interesting. I agree. That is the idea. Ununi ba merkavko Din la 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 Din la 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 Viral Hawk, MCTS, thank you. Roy Veino, Yemi Nashem, Roy Sochoyim, Nashem, Roy Veino, Yemi Nashem, Roy Sochoyim. La 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 la. Sally, is that ever near? La 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 la. Brooklyn, das wissen, der diverse du ist sach mehr, wie viel man kann meinen, wie viel man versteht. But that is the whole point here. Jeder einer mit seinen thoughts, mit seinem perspective. Immer lacht nicht auf jenems perspective. I just want to make that clear. You don't have to understand somebody else's ideas, perspective, thoughts, but you should know it's somebody else's. Oh, there go. It's really shot at the go, but oh, there go. More confirmation than clarity. Isn't confirmation clarity? Isn't that Kamata Zelbazak? Oy veko in shad Hashem tzadikim yavo yivo Unu Hashem Maslichunu Unu Hashem Mashiunu Unu Hashem Maslichunu Heaven of the What banter? Good one, Jim. Heaven of the Tifamir 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 Ich nehme aber Knechten gesucht MCDS, also ich schäle nicht echt in a sense alle meine thoughts und alle meine ideas. Weil sie du Menschen, was nehmen es a certain Weg. Ich denke nicht, wie mein Point hier gewinnt. Even auf die Tier von mir, I would say. I had a point there. Mal geöffnet die Tier, sind wir rausgeflogen. Das ist ein guter Song, was mir jetzt findet. Yo! Hat die Bild ausgelassen.
Wenn ich schau,
Dienen la, meint es nicht.
doch die bist ausgelassen. Wenn die schau,
Wenn die schanzt, meint es nicht. Die wird ausgelassen.
wenn ich schau,
Badala.
meint es nicht.
Brooklyn,
Doch die bist
ich habe
ausgelassen.
ausgelernt, the truth is not to your favor at all times. Der Mannen. If the truth is on your side, you can parade it. But when it's not, dit is why. I've learned that the hard way. That's why I don't spread the truth. Oh, oh.
Wenn die schau,
Wenn die Schanz meint es nicht, hat sie immer noch gelassen. Wenn ich schau, not everybody.
die bist ausgelassen. Wenn ich seh,
Die Menschen, die weißen, für ein Fakt, bluesen auf Bosses. Das ist ein Mannlein. Wenn die Schanz zusammen, und geht Flamme.
wenn ich seh dich schau, dit is mir der Mann.
My worst food is a different conversation when we're in a different conversation. You know what I mean? Flamme. That's what as pudding in tune. You know what I'm saying? I'm not overlooked at all. Can't on this auch a problem. Too much looking. Too much eyes. Sally. Thank you. Jim, don't be embarrassed. We were trying together for Jim, huh? Sally, you're doing way more, above and beyond. Hitting and chopping and living, especially when if I live it.
Me kenschen meine, was alle tun. Ja, se geht mich hat jetzt dreite Rund. Was gut nicht mit sein Leben getun. Reiz mich halt sein vor, wenn man an Nerven blasen wie ein Ballon. Greifen du, was dreist dich du?
You practice to...
Ich fänd die bist mir cool. Es ist interessant zu sehen, wieso die riefst an Frant.
Interessant?
Bis wie angespannt zu treffen, noch
Sally.
als verwusst.
No, nothing close to what you're doing.
Schande gedem aus die fand dem Tigrik sie der Wand wie Schand. Immer hat euch überhaupt mein Hand. Sie sagt mir betant, wenn wir schauen zusammen. Aber nicht beide schauen zusammen. In den Norddecken bleiben. Ich will nicht schauen.
Reiner Mannen.
Aber nicht beide schauen zusammen. Dit is
So singen Flammen. Practice to practice is faking. That's what we all do, I guess. MCTS, ich verstehe nicht what you're trying to say. If you believe in something, right? And then if that belief takes you to a place wie die das Teenapes towards it, so you're practicing that. If you're practicing without believing, then it's, what are you doing? Which I agree. So that's why I do what I need to do. 64% sucht, dass ich soll es nicht posten, members only. Ta 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 ta. Houd me. Es ist schwer, aber Yankee. Warte. Yankee T. I don't know if I said hello, but hello. es ist schwer, als wenn es geht, und man soll elevaten friends. One of the challenges of life. That's why my birthday Viggy got a gift. That was the biggest gift I've gotten in this channel, Yankee. The gift I gave a super chat, the höchste super chat I got on this channel. You know how many sour sticks I could have bought with that? I would not call it a fan, rather just confused. The Emmas can sound sehr kalt. This could be the truth. And you have to be okay with it. Sally, you say the picture pink verkeerd wie dir, and I still respect you seeing the picture. And also, everybody tries to be as close to the truth as possible. Meaning nobody knows the truth, but everybody's trying to be as close to possible to the truth. I wish you could buy some buildings for the super chat. Sally, it's interessant, wo du hast gesagt, changing behaviors. A lot of people... Okay, lass mich zurückziehen, der letzte Statement, das hast du gesagt. For me, there was a lot of muscle memory that I had to get rid of because I knew it was only muscle memory. I gotta run through a lot of BS. Yes. Satmar is the truth. Truth, Zivos. Jimmy wollte rankommen mit einem scharfen Statement. Kapoo, Satmar ist das. Oh. Du hast ein Messer. Stech. Did you see Ellie Weber's live? Ich hatte schon gefragt früher, wie hat gehabt live? I didn't see any live. Kraus didn't give me shit. Stech, waar kommt mit der Päckl. Shitty, du hast Thank you. I can't even imagine the all of that. Comes closer to the truth. The respect is, als sie tryt, in sie arbeit, in sie versteht, dass es muscle in Kopf war. And she's doing her best. Hold on. Ich habe nicht gedrückt auf dem Song. You're all amazing, but you don't get a highlighted name. I'm joking.
הריני מקבל על עצמי לשם ייחוד קודשה בריחו הריני מבקש בכל ליבי להתקרב הריני מקבל על עצמי לשם ייחוד קודשה בריחו הריני מבקש בכל ליבי להתחבר.
Yes. Ya ma ba 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 ba. Ya ma ba 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 ba. Ya ba 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 ya ya. V'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu leyam v'chum b'yamen. V'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu leyam v'chum b'yamen. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
מקבל על עצמי לשם ייחוד
קודשה בריחו
הריני מבקש בכל ליבי
יד זה יחס
להתקרב הריני מקבל על עצמי לשם ייחוד קודשה בריחו הריני מבקש בכל ליבי
להתקרב Yankee, I hope so too. You definitely should share with us the Simcha. Mazel Tov. That would be such great news. The longer it happens, the harder it will be. No, the second the Yeshia Kim tune, this the get. V'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu, v'tayr libenu liyavdecha v'yames. Trump is live. When is Anish live? Some days I feel priority purpose is guiding me. Others I feel the world is moving me. So MCTS, the days where you feel clarity and you feel purpose, you got to remember that days. You got to carry it over for the days that you don't feel that. That's how you get stronger. You know what I mean? So, when you feel down, you got to remember that tomorrow might be a whole new day. Tomorrow, the chemicals might hit just differently. And once you know that, it's a drop easier. Ich habe gesehen, du Ari Hyman. Mavatal kol ha-gzairas. 4,500 views 5 days ago. It's a Nishka music video. So, the guy just gave him a review. Soft. Oh, darf noch wachsen. Darf herauf pushen, sein Confidence. Darf sein Nenter zu der Mic. Ich habe immer zusammengemischt, du, der Wilde mit der Ruhe. Got the bass guitar. Nein, alles gut. Hat noch eine Sache ranzuwachsen, der Singer. But that get the potential, he just has to go. Oh, so I guess it's a cover song. Chabanu von ihm. Hat noch eine Sache, meaning to say the potential is definitely there. I liked. Rednik von like. Aber hit the like button, it goes such a long way. You wouldn't even know. Visit the Coil guy. I hear a lot of positivity tzirikim in the fin. Like people walk, people do. You know, it's seasonal.
המון זמן שלא נפגשנו ואני התגעגעתי. אז הכנתי לכם סט לעיתים מטורף.
What's the change, Sally?
אתם מוכנים? אז יאללה, מתחילים.
But the either can join on. You just have to send in a video how you walk or a quick pay. Thank you, MCTS. Appreciate it.
ממזרחית לטכנו, ואז סולים לטרנס. נשים גם רגטון, נזיז פה את כולם. להיט ועוד להיט, שיר שאני לא מכיר. עזבו את הכיסאות, הקצב פה מפחיד. ידיים באוויר.
You will give out Peggy video, yes. Thursday night, morgen Nacht. Ich warte, der Eulam soll voten. Sie soll rausgehen von Members koiden. But the results, weil man vote weg, meint nicht, also jetzt an. Ich will nur hören, wo der Eulam halt. CG was here the whole time. Die Sache mit Feeling, MCTS, also nur ein Feeling. Feelings kann man arbeiten auf. Like one day I woke up, I felt like it's Monday, but echt, es geht Donnerstag. You get what I'm saying? Hashem itbarach, tamid ohev oti, tamid yale. I'm telling everyone I have a full-time job. I'm calling in the morning. It's called Coil the Viggy. Alles geht sich viel like wie ich darf da sagen. I will go live forever. If you send in a super chat, I'll charugan. Reverse psychology. Joking. But I'm not really joking. If you know what I mean. Würde sagen. Oh. Some days kann ich rein warten, some days nicht. You know? Hand kann ich rein warten. The coil is called Walking Coil Viggy. No, the coil heißt Coil the Viggy. It's on WhatsApp. There's two ways how you can join. You have to do one or one. One, send in a video how you do some exercise, walking. Darf ich anfangen an Punen, sie können anfangen an Fies. Sie können anfangen an Hand, sie können an just you outside. And if that doesn't work, you can do the second thing. Is that anschicken a quick pay. Which is also hard. You don't see my messages? Welche messages? Have you ever trained MMA? Nein, ich habe getraint Jiu-Jitsu. Krav Maga in Jiu-Jitsu. I'm a trained assassin. I'm kidding. Am Israel Chai. Grappling is hard stuff. Grappling is hard stuff. It's a commitment. To be honest, I will say ein unheiben Jiu-Jitsu do around the corner, but my confidence just goes out the door when I open up the door by that place. I had it 3 times. That's the only way, is Jim himself. Who else wants to try to make Jim a member? Let's go. Let's get Jim a member. Confidence is overrated. It's about chutzpah. Yeah. I mean, you need confidence, but sometimes chutzpah helps. Sometimes, most of the time. Am Israel Chai. Lass mal reinbringen ein bisschen crackers. Gib mir a minute. Did I say crackers? Sure did. Sally, with confidence you can't steal. With chutzpah you can steal. When you know what matters first is the act on it. When name regig ma gesagt mo, I didn't get the Hasidische chutzpah. You know what I mean? And it's terrible. Odavinu chai. We've gone full Tzioni here. Hold on, where is that? What? Full Tzioni? This is where the Satmar comes out. Oh, you kidding? We dodged a bullet, like the Matrix. We're dodging a lot of bullets. Wat kunnen we doen? E-mail. Hi, Lega.
Okie dokie. So I wanted to post this long video, and it seems like the best place to post something like that is on a live. So I've posted something about a podcast that was aired a few days
Alles
ago.
geht's. Peace and love.
And I've got a lot of people.
Thank you for being here.
Responding and supporting and trying to understand what's going on and trying to be like, why did you respond like that? What's bothering you? And then the host of that podcast reached out to maybe let's discuss that on a live. Maybe let's talk about that in public. But the truth is that I don't want to. But I do want to explain myself and let the world know, let our community know, let my people know.
It's overalls. Overalls,
what
Jim.
so many people that I've been in touch with actually stand for. To take a person that's visibly...
He is referring to Nachi Yavo's podcast zusammen mit Stakatnifke Rebbe. And gelijk te status something to the effect of man neemt advantage van mental people. So
struggling with his mental health. That has a family, that has a wife, that has been through a hell of a life. And everybody that's from the place where I grew up knows this person. Everybody knows him. Everybody knows what he's been through. It's just pure, simple vicious.
Woo.
And how do I know that that was the goal of such a podcast? Well, if the preview to the podcast is pushing the guy to his limits that he loses it to get clickbait, now that's pure vicious right there. Ooh. And whether or not it's cute or funny or hilarious, we are all grown-ups, some of us. And to have a laugh on somebody else's insanity. Now, when that's done, you capture somebody, you caught somebody by the side of the road, that's one thing. But sitting down and actually sponsoring and putting in an effort to shame another human is disgusting on every possible way. The last time I did that and felt good, I was maybe 5 years old. And then I started feeling another human's emotion. And
why is he not looking at the camera? Because er is een mens voor de camera. Will er ons brengen zijn point.
Just stopped.
Is the Rebbe a child who can't control himself? What he's saying at the beginning of was gezugdu, as he knows the Rebbe, so he knows that he has mental problems, and you're taking advantage of someone because he has mental problems. And if he has mental problems, then he can't control himself.
Feeling so freaking good.
I guess the Rebbe is a child.
There is other podcasts out there. There is a positivity podcast. And whether or not every podcast from that podcast is high quality information, no, it's not. But it's positive.
That's what he's claiming and saying. That's what he's saying. He's saying that I never heard of a Shtachativke Rebbe before, I would say, let's say a year ago. I saw it on Instagram. I mean, on WhatsApp, einer hat's geliked of status. But I don't know him. Never met him. Ik heb ook gezien of andere groups die me discussed as he has mental issues. So if that is true, he's going off that that idea that the Rebbe has mental problems.
It talks about positivity. It talks about people's experiences. It doesn't take a community that just 80 years ago was slaughtered and sent to death camps.
Ooh, shot.
And is struggling with mental health, with Holocaust trauma, and is struggling to keep a tradition, to keep a religion, to keep its authenticity. and has issues, like every other community, like some of my non-Jewish friends and some of my non-Hasidic friends, they're all been through their own.
So the Rebbe, who has mental problems, has followers. I didn't know that coincides together. You could have mental issues and have followers. And followers not the way die meint, Sally. Nicht, people just watch them. But it's a difference between having issues and having mental issues. I'm just saying. I don't know. I'm just saying, if it's true, I'm going off that.
Fair share of trauma. We're all struggling. But this particular community is struggling with a lot of mental health. And is struggling with a lot of religious trauma. To get a podcast that focuses solely on the purpose to beat something like this down because of your own pain and because of your own anger is disgusting. And whether or not you enjoy it for 15 minutes, it will end up biting you in the ass. We're all amazing people here. This community is focused on so much goodness, on so much beauty, on so much, helping out each other. Do we always get it right? Is our education the best? No, but who is? Is our marriage rate the highest or the second highest? Who cares? Have we figured out everything? Have we found a solution to everything? No, we've not. But sitting and shit-talking and beating down and finding the issues on the most negative way possible, we are all better than something like that. We are all holier than that. We are all more special. And we are.
The problem is, hat 40,000, 50,000 views, verstehst? And that shows a whole side. It shows. Wer is is Shia Friedman. Gewinn auf, gegabt mit dem Schmiss, actually. Gewinn a photographer, gewinn oder is a photographer in a realtor. So, I don't know. Over here, he's working in a backyard by someone. Working for or with or by him, I don't know. He's doing lawn work.
All more grown up than something like that. And I don't know why I chose to do this live and why I chose to speak in front of the whole world about it. It's because it pains me. It pains me that nobody else is speaking out, but so many. I've got hundreds of messages, hundreds of people, reaching out and discussing this with me in private, and it's just beyond disgusting. Clickbait?
She is not from I don't know. Is Shia? No, jene Shia was in Sommer is fin Etzisrul. That's what he said. It is a twin. So that
Try to be creative for clickbait. Try to bring somebody positive. Try to talk about something that actually has quality. Try to do something that feels good or leaves people feeling good, that doesn't leave people feeling like, oh, this Meshuggah, we had such a good time laughing about him. It's disgusting. And every sane, normal human should call it out.
Usually, wenn man will etwas machen, in se kommt raus so natural, meint es, redt von der Herz. So.
Yeah. So, I am proud. I am so happy, to find the positivity in a broken nation, in a community that struggles with so much, but despite every possible outcome, keeps growing and keeps healing and keeps being so proud of itself. That's what I stand for. That's what I'm proud of, and that's what I want to talk about more. I love you all so much.
Whoop. Now, based off of the Rebbe Hataka mental health, but we all know, I'm saying, what it looks like a Nachi guide for the views, he's pushing him. He kind of has a point here. I got to give it to him. At a point. He has a point. You take someone, he is adorable, he has energy. He's like this all the time, Sally. Positive energy, happy, bubbly guy. Man macht nicht a Sache, a Sach. Which I kind of agree with what he just said. And it's sad that man nimmt a Sache advantage. Wow, it is fine. How we call that? It's overall. Overall, we'll find you, huh? Why? Overalls are good. It's I'm an overall guy. I'm overall a nice guy. Look, He's an overall. Nachi doesn't take advantage of people who want to if someone brings, I don't want to say but einer bringt darauf a mental guy of a podcast and he takes advantage of him. Is it that guy's problem? Everybody's okay. It's just, hat geliked, hat CD geliked und hat gemacht. Does he have different views, most of the community? Ich weiß nicht. I don't know in which things. To overall views? Sidhu, if let's say someone brings up someone on a podcast and that guy chooses to go on a rant, right? Okay. But if you bring him up again, going with the impression as hat mental health, and gesagt that he knows him, that he has mental health. Not like he's saying he's guessing through the podcast. For me, I wouldn't know, you know. For me, ich kijk es wie mental health, ich kijk es wie gepickt, again, only judging from the podcast, from that hour, as there's obviously something wrong, he picked away, and this is his shtick, and this is how he makes money. He wasn't taking advantage of adults who agree. But if he has mental issues, he's not a consenting adult. And go back to the live, as the Zayn said, wie ich gesucht ban, minute 47, that he should end it there. The rest I didn't watch because I knew that he's gonna... Is the mental to voice his opinion though? No. He's basically voicing it. Is that mental to voice the opinions for a whole community? MCTS, ich verstehe nicht, welche angle you're taking. Nachi is being Nachi. He had enough evidence to understand what he's about. But the Rebbe watcht nicht. The Rebbe watches nicht. If he's not considered an adult, then where is his gabba? He could be a high functioning cuckoo. Not every high functioning mental guy has a gabba. Oh, I'm not saying as he doesn't do it for clicks. The Rebbe, gered from the Rebbe as well, of course. He knew what he's getting himself into, more or less. But just for your record, Guy Tzedek has his name by minute 47. Zugach, he should stop it. I'm not making fun of Nebuch. I'm going over what she is saying. She is saying that he knows him. Perhaps? Apparently 40K to tango. There used to be videos of the Rebbe like sitting in a car and someone like secretly recording him, but he knew that he's being recorded. I mean, if you diagnosed them to your opinion, definitely shikaran. By the okay, stupid might nicht Wenn man sucht, also hat mental health, meint nicht, als he's drooling and he needs a helmet and he's sitting on a bus, banging his head. He picked away, but a canoe that picked away, sie sind ein bisschen mehr Kuckuck. So wie Chaimo. Chaimo's not normal in the regular sense, but he knows his business. Chaimo's covering his rent. Chaimo's covering his day. He's making money. He's covering his addictions. Yes, he's not standard. Cup? For that, you gotta send a super chat. Sadly. Thank you. You didn't lose sight. We're not all that clever, Sally. Some of us have mental problems. No pun intended, huh? Is this where you use the pun at then? I can send a super chat for Brooklyn. Se do a option. Ich kann dich schicken a super chat, you know? Your opinion and shit on the podcast aren't off. I guess maybe Shia knows him and he knows a little more. I don't know. If we would listen to the podcast just by transcript, how bad would it be? Brooklyn's budget is $1 or two. No, but Nachi and this Rebbe, not worth than a penny. Oh. Why didn't people fall for left to it? At that time they did. But some people are just committed. They have their wives there, their family, they don't have a choice. But I like not like as in have a sleep, but the fact is that he posted something and nachher gleich herangecashed. Oh, do you want to come up? You want to be a guest on the show? Jetzt können wir discussen das, als ein Tumor nicht discussen. The deep psychological process is working here, people. Make place, deep physical processes. Move away, the processors are working. Sorry, I'm not making fun, I'm just lightening the mood. Does the Rebbe ever consult? This reminds me, Sally. I was at a therapist and I didn't like the way how she was therapying. So I asked her, not nicht chitzpedig, but I asked her like, which therapist do you go to? Like, I gotta speak to your Rebbe's Rebbe. This reminds me. Does he have a Rebbe? No, he doesn't have a Rebbe. He acts Rebbe. So Rebbe goes to a Rebbe, what? He is his own Rebbe. No, that was the last appointment we had. That was the last appointment. She was terrible. She was terrible at her job. Let's party. Yeah. Well, she was terrible. Although before COVID, I found a good therapist, and this COVID came in and killed everything. He was an older guy. Bill was his name. I don't think any Rebbe would agree with what he said about molesters. Stam Tzitzenem on the... Where did he go? He closed the shop and he went upstate like 3 hours from here and he started doing Zoom calls. And I have to be by a person. Ich kenne ich auf Computer kenne ich nicht. Well, I didn't do lives then, so... Brooklyn, Stam... Wenn gerät von der Molesters, wird gerät von der Halucha. The Halucha... Ich nehme mich schon, I'm just trying to explain how I saw it. Halucha tun wir nicht gehen zu der in draußen der Welt. Wir tun nicht massern. He's not saying molesting a git. He was against molesting. He said that you should do everything, but not go to the police. Pinny, man darf gehen zu a therapist is wie a shidduch. The rest a match. So he was talking of the halucha part. And I'm sure people that got molested or know of the problem and have PTSD on it will be like, no, we gotta put him in jail. Well, if you are a Jew and you believe in this, and you gleibst in the Torah, then you need to follow the steps. The steps is not to go to outside world. As much as I understand the halacha. And he was telling him, like, I'm sorry, hast das nicht lieb, but that's the reality. The problem is, wie geht ein Mensch, was hat sich etwas? Where does a person like that go? Is there a group where people could go? I watched a Lubavitcher guy that came out and said that he was a how you doing guy. And he's coming out to explain that other people should have where to go or whatever. Halacha can be conceptualized different ways. That's why I said about silly putty. Everybody's capsulizing it the way they want. There's a few categories of people. People that never got molested. Then there is the group that did get molested, but they didn't have any effects, or they don't even know that they have effect yet. It didn't kick in. And then there is a small group that did get molested, and they have a lot of PTSD about it, but there's no one to talk to. There's no one to do it. Which is terrible. And also, there is a problem. People want to do this stuff. Why isn't there a support group for it? In jail is where they belong. With an extra bar of soap. The slippery Brooklyn, huh? The slippery slope. Should listen to your PTSD song. Yeah. There is a narrative understanding that should be upheld. Children need protection. Yes. Until we have private Jewish master's prisons. Sally, I'm Medir. I'm just saying al pi halacha how he saw it. How he was trying to portray it. But the Yiddish halacha is a joke. The Yiddish days is a joke. People laugh at it. Al pi halacha is not right. It could be. I'm not taking any stance on the halacha, Sally. I'm just saying what it seems like he's coming from. Pinir Memedir, it is murder. It is murder. You're definitely taking a loaded gun and you're firing it towards a person. By people it misses, some people it hits the knee, some people it hits the chest, some people it misses the brain. Hits the brain. We can go back talk about cheesecake. All right, cheesecake it is. Let's get all vanilla. I'm not laughing at the situation. We all have our stories. We all have our dramas. And from our dramas come drama. We should laugh. The Goulas is laughable, man. Yes. Everybody's innocent until proven guilty, but once they're found guilty, they deserve the consequences. Yes, Brooklyn. Agreed. Volvi. Good afternoon, Volvi. Alpi Aloha. What's wrong with saying that the person is not allowed to be near children? No. That's what he was saying you should do. Eges ook maar al deze tien. He's about to go into the plunge. MCT has eerder gezocht dat we zijn lijkenpasje willen zeggen. He was just saying against the Gainsi Musen. This is where he was drawing the line. Alpi Aloha, he was saying.
ויש מקום ויש עוד זמן ויש עתיד ויש עבר השורשים יהיו לעץ המנגינות כמו נר דולק ויש ימים המוזיקה לימדה אותי זו רק תקופה 38 ועוד קצת ויש עוד זמן ויש עתיד ויש עבר השורשים יהיו לעץ המנגינות כמו נר דולק ויש ימים המוזיקה לימדה אותי זו רק תקופה 38 ועוד קצת
He's believing his automatic response in the community. Yes! A lot of people feel that way, MCTS, and that's wrong. That is wrong. Terrible. I love the tricolor cheesecake. My cholesterol doesn't need it. Your cholesterol doesn't need a lot of things, but we don't listen to that. Guide him for a walk. Should I make Oreo cheesecake? Hell yeah. Let's take a poll. Of course, we don't need a poll. We know for sure that we want Oreo cheesecake, even though we're not gonna have a chance to eat it. Shia, how you doing? Yeah, we keep going. I don't want to get to the other things I need to do. Pride cheesecake. Well, the way she walks around with it, it's prideful. All good. Sally, you want to give someone a heart attack? What are you doing? Deep frying a cheesecake. Come on. You ever saw those in an ice cream store? They have ice cubes and it says vegan free ices. Had everyone have? I think I had it once. I meant cheese, chocolate, and strawberries. Nice. To counterbalance all my healthy food. Good. I'm not a big strawberry guy on cheesecake, especially not the sauces. Are you still alive? I'm dead. I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm alive. You ever saw that video with the dog? Sally, tell me you watched it. Hold on, we gotta show it. We gotta show it. Come on, you didn't see it? We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it. Hold on. Hold on. This one, Sally. Hold on.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the house. I'm alive. I'm alive.
I'm dead.
I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around the house.
Come on. That was amazing. I don't care who you are. But that is amazing. Need to change the subject here. All right. Let's go to cheesecake. Put in I'm alive and I'm dead again. I'm alive. I'm watching TV. People are so fun. That's why I like the internet. Like something like that. Imagine in the 500 years ago, somebody reading a tablet, engraved tablet. I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. What should I make, Fleischig? Not your milchige stuff. I think we should do these TikTok reviews. Chanish TikTok. Yeah, the internet bringt daraus the uniqueness we mentioned, like 10 seconds uniqueness from people that otherwise you wouldn't see it. Shorts. If I come to us, where do you want to eat? Of dogs too. YG, die bringst dir an Shorts in man vibe. Top 10 short reviews of the day. Ich habe viel nicht kein Shorts of Hold on, there's a new guy here. There's a new guy alert. New guy alert. 50 Why are we paying 120 for a Jewish wedding? Living L'chaim. We got a new guy. Show the video with the kid. Yes, Sally. You sent me a few, so I don't know which one. Pulled beef. I'm alive. I'm dead. Watching TV. I can't watch this video. It hurts too much. Which video are you talking about? Which video are you talking about? When I catch time. Cheerios. Marrying a kid for 150k. Oh, you mean that video? Okay, I'm sorry. Wasn't paying attention. Hast du schon gewatscht? Hold on. Das hat man bekommen von Sally. Sally geschickt der Video. 3, 2, 1, go. Listen to the... Hold on.
You hear me? I'm crazy. I'm tired. I worked hard at school.
It's cool.
Okay?
Okay.
So what? You don't want me to mess with you tonight?
No. I'm crazy. I'm tired. I worked hard at school. Watch
You're
out,
not going to
I
wrestle
am.
here in a little bit?
Well, maybe.
Well, maybe.
If I stop getting crazy and tired. No, do you hear me? I'm crazy. I'm tired. I worked hard at school. Okay?
All right, so what? You don't want me to mess with you tonight?
No, I'm clean. I'm tired of watching.
We're not going to wrestle here in a little bit?
You're not gonna wrestle?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh.
If I stop getting cranky and tired. No, do you hear me?
As I walked on by, she could see from my face that I was. As I walked on by.
Okay, he knew that. He
You know,
knew
you
that.
can say what you like, but for me, that's not even camping. I mean, come on. No, you can say what you like.
That's not
but
even camping.
For me,
Good one.
that's not even camping. I mean, come on.
This guy found the best fishing spot of all time.
Come on. This is the moment. That's it. And from that moment on, I knew that I wanted to drive a motorcycle.
Who did this mess? Cody? Did you make this
Cody. Why are you saying? Oh.
Can I touch you?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
And you're adopted. Oh, no.
Sit.
Ow! Yeah?
Will you be my Valentine?
Do you
I want to go for a walk.
want to go
For a walk.
for a walk?
Yes.
Wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper.
Kai's a big humper.
Literally humping everyone.
Who did this mess?
Step up here on this chair and close your eyes. All right, and then everybody fill in.
The trustful.
And we're going to ask you to fall, and then they will catch you. So you have to trust us. On the count of 3, just relax and fall.
Som en cigarett för er.
1, 2, 3. No! Step up.
This is my kingdom.
Shut up. Be quiet. What authority do you...
Can I get a few words?
Ow.
Raider, look, it's the donut truck. We gotta go get it.
Mikey, did puncture a pass.
Good one.
No, because, bro, why do you have abs?
Wow.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
I'm gonna get your nose. I got it. Nope, it's mine now.
Daddy!
Son.
Can I get a few words?
Who did this mess?
If your man
Alright.
wakes you up at 3 a.m. to go cook for him that he's craving a special kind of food, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, crave Rugawa. He's craving. He doesn't know where supermarket is.
Schnitzelberger. Enough views for today, ja? Ich will nicht introducen Shorts in meinem YouTube-Des. I'm staying away wie es ist fire. Ich stehe weg von Shorts. Because it gets you, and then, boom. I did forget my name. But also fools your brain. Because it tells you, oh, you're almost gonna be happy. Just the next scroll, and you're gonna be super happy. And you're not gonna be happy.
חמולה בבניין לשיחות על השולחן יש שרבוב ויש עניין
One scroll Mashiach comes. That's what it makes you feel like. And it's terrible. Because it's not like that at all. Alright, Gevra. Wow, this is a lange, extremely lange live. Which hat nicht gefühlt pressured at all. Alright, Gevra. Sie kommen der Zeit, uns auf sich gesegnen. Das Mal ist es ein bisschen geringer, aber sie kommen nicht echt gering. Sie sagen goodbye. Hershey, Shia, sorry. Shia was a record set, yes. You're a part of it. You were one of the shields. I want to say thank you for jeder eins, du gewinn für eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Ich viele Dinge, du gewinn nur für ein bisschen. Ich gemacht, mich umgezogen auf eine andere Tab. Ich viele gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab, aber warum ich meine dir. Thank you. Jim, the only way we can mich zurückschleppen ist mit der Superchat. And I want to give thanks for jeder eine, für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers, für alle Members. And I really do appreciate the Menschen, who sind Subscribers. Weil sie kennen nicht werden Members. I really do appreciate them. Und hat das noch nicht geliked, the video. Whoa. What are you doing?
Like the video.
Ich will geben a special thanks for Family B, Shia, Sally, Brooklyn, and Penny G. Ich gehe für the Super Chats, ich gehe für geben Memberships.
I really do appreciate it. It goes such a long way.
Alrighty. Thank you all for being here. Housekeeping until Wednesday. So much ungehoben going live Wednesday Nacht. Because we are not going Thursday night lives anymore. Thursday night I'm doing another career. I just have to make it there, to be honest. I keep chickening out. But we're going to fight through. We're going to make it happen. So that's it with housekeeping. I'll see you all tonight at 8. I might go live at 6 and play PUBG or another game, but we will see. That's still up in the air. I know it's not fair, but what could I do? This is my share. So until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.